this is just regular old black fondant. Roll it into a ball. Then the same thing, E. And then this, I want him looking that way, so I'm gonna put it to the lower right side of the face. And another one, E. And right down here, let me make sure it's about the same size before I pop it on. Oh, look. It's getting cute.
Cute.
Okay, little ball of white fondant, just for that little gleam. That's actually kind of big. I'm gonna cut that in half.
And this one you don't E.
No, because this is a ball.
Ah.
So balls you just roll.
Okay.
There we go. Okay, now let's do the eyebrows, or eyelashes, I should say. And for that, I need my itty bitty embroidery scissors, which are here. So I'm going to take a little bit of the black and then roll it into a cord. So I go several times to roll it into a cord, like that. Okay, then you take your fingers and you pinch the top of the cord. Okay, now the thick part that's actually on my hand, that's the base, that's what's gonna go against the turtle's head. Gonna leave a little bit of green showing because I want to. And then I'll use this tool and just help push it on, get it to stay on, like that. And then I'll come back with the scissors. And I steady the scissors with my other hand because my hand usually shakes a little bit. Like this. Can you see it now?
Yep.
Okay. And it looks like it was a little loose. I try not to put water on there unless I have to. Hi. This is kind of long. It might be unibrow time. Okay. Get a close-up of that.
Yep. Good.
Okay. One more. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And this will go right up here. Again, use this tool, push it on. Any questions?
Nope.
Right? Oh, you're so cute. Okay, then we can do the hat. Because
he has to have a hat.
Gotta have a little springtime hat.
Gotta have a hat.
Got
It's
it.
a turtle. You have to have a hat.
Yes.
Actually, it's Susan's turtle. He has to have a hat.
Yeah. Because we know I can't be normal.
Nope.
Okay. So I'm just taking the yellow. Let me take a little piece off in case I want to use it for something else. And I'm just going to roll it. I'm doing it a little different than I did this one. I'm just going to roll this into a ball. And then I'm going to take my fingers and I'm going to almost push in at the bottom and then go around the side and pinch all of that part out to make the brim of the hat. You just push in there a little bit in the middle so it kind of fits the head a little bit better. Kind of like that. Oh, you're cute. Okay, so do that. You can always put some water on there to make it stick. Just kind of maneuver it, give it a little something something here. Little something something there.
And it's your choice how much of the something something?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
And I thought I would do, you know, like it's got the little band around it.
Because
So
it
I
blows
was like-
off in the summer wind.
It does.
It does.
Yeah. How did you know? You can tell by the ripples in the water?
Yeah.
Okay, take a ball of yellow and then roll it into a cord. So I'll do it like from the center out here, center out. Center out, center out, center out, roll, 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 roll. And then we'll come up here, put it maybe kind of like that. We can have it actually hang down a little bit. Not like that.
Yeah.
That's kind of a lot. Just a little bit. Stick it under the hat there. And I thought we could add a little bow. So this little bow right here, this is a New York cake mold. It's one of my favorite little bow molds. We also have them at the Cake Cottage.
But of course.
But of course, it is one of my favorite molds. I've either seen things before. It's so easy because you don't have to put it in the freezer or anything. It just pops right out. And then I can just kind of attach it.
Oh, cute.
Isn't it cute? It's so cute.